Hello my dear students, let's start with cosine rule. Now is the time to learn cosine rule. What is the cosine rule? The cosine rule states the same thing as say in triangle ABC, A is side opposite to angle A, B is side opposite to angle B, C is side opposite to angle C. Then, see, basically what I am doing is first I am applying this rule and showing you what they mean to say is that supposing if this is the triangle A, B, C, this is A, this is B, this is C, right? Side opposite to A, side opposite to B, side opposite to C. So the cosine rule states that if supposing I have to find angle A, side A square is equal to square of the sum of the square of the remaining sides, B square plus C square minus 2BC and then cos A. Fine. Similarly, if I go for B square, will be equal to C square plus A square minus 2AC cos B. If I go for C square, it will be equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos C. This is basically the cosine rule. This cosine rule is for finding the sides of the square, and it can also be for finding the side of finding the angles of the triangle. For that, if supposing I take cos A on one side, so that means what it becomes. If I rearrange everything, cos A will be equal to B square plus C square minus A square upon 2BC. If you will take this, if you will shift everything, minus 2BC I shift over here, B square plus C square stays over here, A square goes over there, it will become B square plus C square minus A square. Then 2BC comes and divides over here. Similarly, cos B will be equal to A square plus C square minus B square upon 2AC. Okay, and similarly, cos C will be equal to A square plus B square minus C square upon 2AB. With this form of cosine rule, we can find the angles also, provided we know all the sides of the triangle. Basically, we have to prove this theorem, this rule. In triangle ABC, A is a side opposite to angle A, B is a side opposite to angle B, C is a side opposite to angle C. Then, of course, we have to prove that A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos of A. B square is equal to A square plus C square minus 2AC cos of B. C square is equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB cos of C. This we have to prove. Of course, we will have to first consider a triangle, and this case we have to consider two triangles. Basically, triangles are same because now in this case we have to consider, because just to show that it can be any of the two triangles. It can be acute angle triangle ABC, or it can be obtuse angle triangle still ABC. Okay, so A is taken at origin, B is over here, C is over here. You can take it any form, because at the end we, whatever way we take the orientation, we will be getting now, because basically I am going to find A square, so I have taken A over here. Okay, if I want to find B square, so I will take B over here and B over here, vertex B over here, so that B comes over here, and then accordingly things will change. A, B, C. Fine. So still this is A, this is B, this is C, this is A, this is B, this is C. Fine. Now same thing, A will be having the origin coordinates will be 0 0, because AB is equal to 6. The B will be coordinates having C comma 0. For C, definitely one thing we will have to again think the same way. X coordinate will be equal to R cos theta. For C, the R is equal to B cos, this is angle A. Fine. And Y will be equal to R sin theta. So R is still equal to B sine A. So these are the coordinates of C, B cos A, B sine A. These are the coordinates of C. Same will be over here, same thing, everything over here same, 0 0, C comma 0, and this will be same for both. So we have to write everything over here. Triangle ABC is such that A is on origin, therefore A corresponds to 0 comma 0. AB is equal to C, therefore B corresponds to C comma 0. You can, if you want, you can write everything over here like that, only x is equal to r cos theta, therefore equal to b is equal to cos a and everything. Or you can straight tell C corresponds to B cos A, B sin A. Fine. This is the picture now. And now what you have to do, you have to find this A square, simple, by distance formula, nothing more than that. You have to just apply the distance formula which you have studied in 10th. See here, C, this is the picture, how it is, B cos A, B sin A, and this is C comma 0. Fine. This is of course a rough work. So here we will get by distance formula. You don't have to state everything over here. I am writing in detail so that if anybody has any confusion, so he will be understanding. So here BC square will be equal to x1 minus x2 the whole square. So I take it as C minus B cos A the whole square plus x2 0 minus B sin A the whole square. This will be the value of B square, BC square, and BC is what? A square. If I open the bracket, C square minus 2BC cos A plus B square cos square A plus, now this will be minus B sin A the whole square, that will become plus B square sin square A. So what I get over here is A square is equal to C square minus 2BC cos A. Now here I can take B square as a common factor, and what I get in the bracket is sin square A plus cos square A, which will be equal to 1. So I will get A square is equal to, now this is equal to 1. So B square into 1 is B square. I am writing in forward. This is my cosine rule. A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cos A. Okay, my dear student, this is basically simple, and actually if you consider, now I am not going to write everything, I want you all people to solve this. If I consider the same thing in this fashion, if I move the triangle so that B comes over here, A comes over here, C comes over here, this will be my B, this will be my A, and this will be my C. This will be 0 0. Actually we are interested only in this part. This will be A comma 0, and what will be this? R cos theta, that means C cos B, C sin B, and you basically have to find B square again. But remember my dear students, when if it comes in exam, then you will have to write everything over here as we did over here, like this. If triangle B is taken such that B is on the origin, no, we don't have to write everything. No, we'll have to write this. B is taken on the origin, then B corresponds to 0 comma 0, C, because BC is equal to A, C corresponds to A comma 0, A will be C cos B, C sin B, and then you have to apply the distance formula over here. AC square is equal to A minus C cos B the whole square plus 0 minus C sin B the whole square. Solve that, you will get B square. And similarly, when you change it even further, take this triangle over here, and now you take B over here, C over here, A over here, this will be C, this will be A, this will be B. Okay, and then you have to solve this. Okay, my dear students, this is how the cosine rule is used, cosine rule. And I have told you it can be used to find the side of the square, side of the triangle, and it can also be used to find the angles of the triangle. Okay, my dear student, that's the explanation of cosine rule. I want you all people to solve this, both the rules, sine rule, cosine rule, and show it to me. Okay, my dear students, thank you very much. Love you all. See you all soon.